how to buy Pump token on PancakeSwap version 3. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token on PancakeSwap, what you need to do, now open the PancakeSwap. Now, first of all, we need to connect your wallet. So select your wallet from here. If you don't see your wallet here, click on more. And now search for your wallet on here. So after you find your wallet, for me, I will use the OKX wallet. Now after that, what you need to do, now select your wallet. As you can see, they give you a multiple choice. If you want to select the Bitget wallet, the MetaMask, the Phantom, the Ruby wallet, so select your token from here. I will use the OKX wallet. So after you connect your wallet to PancakeSwap, if you don't see your token here, just go back to this token page on CoinMarketCap. Now go here on contracts and copy the token address, as you can see. Now remember, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now go back to PancakeSwap and click here and paste the token address in the search bar directly, as you can see. Now, as you can see, our token is active. You can now click on it to be able to see it here. As you can see now, our token is shown on the bottom. From the top, now select your token that you want to buy with and make sure that you have a fund on it on your wallet. Now we select USDT for that. Now after that, you can type here how much you want to buy, as you can see here, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. And after that, click here on swap, and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet that you select to connect to PancakeSwap to be able to complete the buy process, so or to confirm the buy process. So this is how to buy Pump token on PancakeSwap version 3. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.